Currently, we're in a no-fly zone, but I am going to fly this Tekno into orbit. Well, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a long time. I'm actually going to go bashing with RC cars. It's usually racing, rock crawling, or fixing something. But today, I just thought I'd get this out. This is a Tekno bits and pieces. It started life as a Tekno MT410 monster truck. Whenever I built it, I bought a longer chassis and fitted it with the longer chassis, longer drive shaft, and a longer rear chassis brace. I also grafted on short course truck bumpers, front and rear, and a wing mount of an EB4 something or other. I can't even remember what it was. So what happened was that I actually wanted to get myself a Truggy, and I had stopped making them at the time because they were out of I don't know, they're just out of production, and that's the route I had to go. Took it racing, and if you look somewhere up here, I'll show you a link. It was a 30-minute race in against all the Nitro guys, and I even had Ellie change a battery for me halfway through, which took her about a minute to change, and that put me right back in the pack, somewhere in the middle of the pack. And I fought my way up to the front, and after 30 minutes racing the Nitro guys, I come in less than a second behind the winner. So go check that video out, say link up there somewhere. But today, what I want to do, I want to put the original chassis back on, shorten it down, get rid of all this stuff, and put a monster truck body on it, and just use this purely as a base truck. Before I do that, I'm going to stick on the Proline Badlands MX tyres and go and take it for a bit of a bash and try and get it some serious air in a makeshift skate park that we found. Can I just add, when I was doing these races, I didn't have any Truggy racing tyres, and one of the guys at the track lent me his well-used Truggy tyres, and this is how they come off after 30 minutes racing. I have a hobby wing system in this that I'll be running on 4S. It will take 6S, but I don't have any 6S batteries yet. I might have to go and visit my local hobby shop, which is Rennick's Model soon, and go and get myself a 6S battery and see what this thing does. Let's fit the NFZ.s batteries in and go take this thing for a rip. I can't believe just how epic that thing is. Can't believe I haven't had it out in so long. We're at a little impromptu skate park. Some guys have taken it upon themselves to build. Can't wait to have it finished, but there's a few ramps here, namely one down there I want to see if I can clear the fence with. What we'll do first is we jump over here. we've killed it. Never even got to do the jump. Oh, that looked like game over, but I think we've just got a bit hot. Because ooh, it's hot to touch. I really want to hit that jump over there, so that's the next thing we'll do. Let this cool down for a minute and go and hit that jump over there and try and clear that fence. Right, we're back in action. Let's go and try this behemoth of a jump.
Perfect.
Right, here we go. Fourth go. Oh! Is it still alive?
I thought I was going to be unlived.
Wives were harmed in the making of this video. One more?
No.
One more.
I got outside.
One more. Here, go for it. You ready? Currently, we're in a no-fly zone, but I am going to fly this Tekno into orbit. What are you doing?
I take it didn't intend to do that, no?
No, it did, I. If that's not the definition of going in the orbit with an RC car, I don't know what is. Let's finish off the battery now that the thing's still going, and I'll go home and edit the video. Hope you enjoy. It doesn't like that smack down, sure it doesn't.
You don't think you've had enough?
Yeah, right. We've either killed it or it's overheated. I'm just going to turn it off, head back, edit the video. Hope you had fun watching this, because I certainly had fun making it. Oh, we're alright again. I think it's the connections in the battery. They feel wild light. It's just that's what it is. The battery terminals, they shouldn't slide in and out as easy as that. Try and fix that when I get home. Well, what about that? Can't believe it. Made it back in one piece, and equally no wives were harmed in the making of this video, although it was very close that one time whenever that came back down to earth on the wrong side of the fence and nearly landed on her head. So all I need to do is tighten up the battery terminals, and it's pretty much ready for another base again, which I might well do before I shorten the chassis, get a new body for it, and maybe go through it and sort out the diffs and bits and pieces. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.